This is a 25-year HVAC company in a town of about 15,000 people. In November, they generated 82 total inbound calls, but only 11 were new customers. For an established HVAC company serving a full service area, that level of new customer acquisition limits growth. The issue wasn't experience, it was visibility. Here's what most HVAC companies don't realize. You might rank near your office, but disappear just a few miles away. Each grid point represents a real customer search location. If you're not in the top 3, you're invisible. After restructuring the website for clarity, defining services and service areas properly, and expanding Google Maps coverage signals, visibility increased significantly. New customer calls went from 11 to 32 in about 60 days, a 191% increase. If you want to see where your business is appearing and where you're invisible, request a Google Maps visibility snapshot using the link below this video. No sales pitch, just a breakdown of your coverage and competitor comparison.